Hi, here's my record score for Saturday, September 11th, 2010. 218 45s and 40 LPs. All of these records, except for 3 LPs, came from one single yard sale. Details in the description because I'm going to try to go through all of this in one single video. I might cut in 2 parts, but I'd rather go fast, so I might not describe everything. These first 3 albums were purchased early in a local yard sale for $2 for 3 records. Frankie Valli and Four Seasons, Elvis Christmas album on Pickwick, pretty clean copy. And believe it or not, I didn't have this one yet. Michael Jackson, Off the Wall. Just didn't happen to find a good, clean, cheap copy until now. Here's the rest. Gilbert Bécaud, En temps plein, premier album canadien. Tigus, on chante et on rit. Claudette Auchu jouait de l'orgue pour l'ancien Forum de Montréal. Vicky Léandros avec son succès à l'Est d'Éden. Ginette Ravel. Swing Charlebois Swing, une copie d'Esper. Sardou. Pitch Leclerc. And this is a 12-inch of Left to My Own Devices by the Pet Shop Boys, but unfortunately it's not in terribly great shape. Too bad. Not many scratches, but lots of distortion and dust and static. Adamo avec Petit Bonheur, copie d'Esper. Maximilien comme un oiseau qui s'envole. La Reine du Yodel avec Hélène qui chante des chansons comme la chanson des motoneiges, la chanson des mini-bikes. Je rêve d'avoir une maman comme toi. En tout cas, Texte le corps c'est moi, pas rare du tout, mais je le voulais parce qu'il était très très clean, avec un prix une étiquette de Woolco dessus. Paul Brunel et ses Troubadours du Far West, volume 3. Un autre Paul Brunel, mes premières compositions, volume 2. Et les grands succès de Paul Brunel, tout en bon état. Robert Cogua, avec quelques chansons que j'aime dessus, comme Parce que je l'aime, par la Pascal Magali. My Best to You, Connie Francis, double album. Supposed to be her best, but Stupid Cupid is not even on it. I still took it. Johnny Farago chante Elvis. 9 Elvis songs plus another hit here. Adamo chante ses plus grands succès, Scellé. Je l'ai déjà, mais Scellé, fallait que je le prenne. Une belle copie comme ça. Hervé Villard, Rêverie, je ne l'avais pas celui-là. Twilight Memories, The Three Sons. I love The Three Sons. I collect all their records. I don't think I have this one. If I do, it sounds like crap. But this one is okay. I've played it. Midnight Music by Martin Stevens, still sealed. Alain Borrière, Sérénade et Tragédie. Un autre Alain Borrière. Amoko. Hammond Pops 5, Klaus Wunderlich. Took it for the cover. Robert Charlebois, une compilation, album souvenir. Vava, que j'ai pris pour la chanson Coucoudou, Scellé. Shake, Paradis des Anges, s'en va, Scellé. Crosby, Still, Nash & Young. I didn't have this album, my first album by them. Not even familiar that much with this record, but I wanted to try it. Michel Fugain, compilation, encore Scellé. This one I was really happy to find. Switch on Country, featuring Rick Powell at the Moog. But a lot of people thought it was pronounced Moog. Moog. Claude Valade, Sous une pluie d'étoiles, son tout premier long jeu. Michel Legrand chante avec 2 chansons avec Nana Mouskouri. 15 succès de Pierre Sénécal, qui était arrêté pour indécence sur des garçons, je crois, ou quelque chose du genre, en tout cas. S'en foutu. Michel Sardou, volume 15, en réalité, c'est pas le 15e album de Michel Sardou, c'est une double compilation d'une série faite par Barclay. Rolling Stones, Made in the Shade. 45s. These 45s, these 21 records were unfortunately damaged by the sun. Yes, everything happened under the sun, and some of them got damaged. This one, well, it's hard to pick up with this cheap camera, but believe me, it's melted. Plastic Bertrand, Express Sapresse. This one I kept out of the sleep because it's going in the garbage. I have it already. Carlos Rosalie. Robert Charlebois, c'est pas physique, c'est électrique. Champion de Robert Charlebois. Celui-là, il est encore jouable, heureusement, il n'est pas trop fondu. Le Rapabilly de Lucien Francoeur, très content d'avoir trouvé ça. Un disque de Gilles Marchal, L'Étoile filante. Les Mercies, Je l'ai perdu cette fille. French version of You're Gonna Lose That Girl. Still playable. Way Down Yonder in New Orleans by Freddie Cannon. only slightly damaged. This one is unfortunately quite melted on the edge. Rita Coolidge, We're All Alone. Unfortunately, it's melted, but I'm sure it's easy to replace. Sheena Easton, Jimmy Mack. I think it's still playable. Round and Round and Round and Round by Billy Joe and the Checkmates. Only slightly melted, with Percolator on the other side. Beatnik Fly by Johnny and the Hurricanes. And Sandstorm. Spike Jones' Favorites, an EP in soul condition. The Hustle, Van McCoy, melted. That's probably going in the garbage. This was just a backup copy. This one is melted too, but I didn't know I had it already. Olivia Newton-John and Cliff Richard, Suddenly from Xanadu. I got it for the B-side, which is not on the CD nor the LP. You Made Me Love You. But I have it already, I forgot I had it. This one I'm not sure if I had or not, anyway, it's not that rare. The Ritchie Family, Istanbul with Baby I'm on Fire. Del Shannon, Broken Promises with Keep Searching. What's this? Terry Stafford, Suspicion, and Judy. And this one, Donna Summer, Cold Love, it's a little bit melted. Talking Heads, This Must Be the Place, melted too. So these, oh yeah, and there's one here, Young Girl by the Union Gap. Bumpy a little bit from the sun, but it's still playable. So these 21 records was a bit sad, but nothing irreplaceable. Here's the rest. Let's bring this slide closer here. I kept them all mixed up so I can skip from French to English back and forth. Patrick Hernandez. Looks like an early record he made. Goodbye and Someone Stepping on My Mushrooms. Okay, I had to get this is pretty scratchy, but I wanted to have it. Do It Again by Steely Dan. Tainted Love by Soft Cell. I think I had it already. This I took twice by mistake. Jordan Ingman plays Anna. The other side is Cherokee. I have Echo Boogie and what's the other side? Anyway, I have 145, a different 45 by him, which I love very much. Well, I was happy to find another record by him. 2 copies, but by mistake. Let's Groove by Earth, Wind and Fire. Only You, chanté par Michel Thor en français. Très bon ça. Les Baronnets, la même chanson. This turns out to be Your Mother Should Know in French, the Beatles song Your Mother Should Know. And René Angelil, Céline Dion's wife and manager, sings on this record. He was part of Les Baronnets. Les Snobs par Bud Davis. Billy Joel, Allentown, which is a great song, but the lyrics are a bit depressing. But I got it for the B-side, which doesn't seem to appear on the album. Elvis Presley Boulevard. Devil Woman by Buddy Knox. The other side is Hula Love. Gotta check the time. Hijack by Herbie Mann, that's a reissue. I got the original somewhere in this pile. The other side is Waterbed. I love Herbie Mann. He's my favorite flute player ever. I collect every single record he ever made. Tommy James and the Shondells. I have 3 Tommy James in this lot. This is She with Loved One. I already have it, but this is such a clean copy. Partridge Family, I Think I Love You, pretty clean copy. Terry Jacks, Seasons in the Sun, and also Season in the Sun on as a golden reissue. Tommy James, Dark is the Night, and Cat's Eye in the Window. This one is more scratched up than I thought it was. I checked it too fast. Stop in the Name of Love, the original, but by the Supremes. I saw a few deep scratches. I haven't played these yet. I didn't have time. Simply Red, Holding Back the Years. Karen Silver. 2 records by her because they're composed by my idol Gino Soccio. I don't know how it's pronounced. Soccio. Anyway, this is Nobody Else and Crazy for Your Love, and this is Love Me Tonight, Turn Off the Light, and Set Me Free. I love Gino Soccio, and I have an album by Karen Silver that's also very good. Ça c'est Daniel qui chante Waterloo, puis Depuis que l'on s'aime, puis ici il chante Tant qu'il y aura quelqu'un, puis Jambalaya. Je suis un grand fan de Joe Dassin, je collectionne tous les disques de Joe Dassin. Puis ça, c'est le petit pain au chocolat en excellent état, c'est l'original. Puis l'autre bar, il est très bon, c'est le temps des œufs au plat. J'adore cette enceinte-là. Handyman by Jimmy Jones. I've been given a cracked copy years ago, and this one is in better shape, even though it's a little bit scratched. Richard Anthony chante La Buse de Savon, French version of Come On In by Peter Langford. C'est ça. L'autre bord, c'est Il pleut des larmes. L'oiseau sur la branche, qui a été popularisé au Québec par Lucie Vallée. Ça, c'est par Judy Bergen, version de France, j'imagine. Ouais, c'est marqué ça, que ça vient de France. L'autre bord, c'est Le chemin de ton cœur. 10 minutes et 38, on n'aura pas le temps. J'avais oublié que les roses sont roses d'Adamo. Ça, je suis pas sûr c'est quoi le hit side, là. Je pense que c'est ce bord-là. San Bernardino de Robert Arcan, composé par Steve Fizette, dans très bon état. J'ai pas écouté encore. 7 mines de Robert Arcan. Ah, Jacques Boulanger, Boubou, qui faisait l'émission Allô Boubou. Je te serai toujours fidèle. Puis on a tous besoin d'un grand amour. Jacques Boulanger. He used to be the host of a of a talk show. And here's the history about the Pacha record label. It's a record label from Quebec, from the 70s. As you can see here, I'm not sure how, no, it's probably all blurry. Damn it, I hate this camera. Piece of crap. If I put it here, does it work? Anyway, you can sort of see that it's a cat listening to a gramophone. They're clearly making fun of the RCA Victor logo. Well, they got slapped on the wrist for doing that because, well, this is record 4409. This appeared only on the first pressings because most pressings on this record label don't have the gramophone. This area here under my thumb is all white. So that's pretty interesting. I was happy to find an early pressing with the gramophone here. Here's a little bit of history that I like to talk about. Tommy James, Sing Sing Sing, and I'm Coming Home. Esso Besso Da Kiss by Paul Anka. Very clean copy. Dracula Disco, la version française par Voltaire, c'est-à-dire Alain Mon Petit. Je l'ai déjà, mais avec une belle scratch. Celui-là il est en meilleur état. Shirley Theroux chante l'amour et c'est beau un homme. Sur étiquette Télémétropole. This is a TV station in Montreal. Rock Collection, partie 1, partie 2 par Laurent Voulzy. Je suis toujours à la recherche de la copie parfaite. J'ai pas checké si ça jouait bien. Hervé Villard, Méditerranée. Non. Il faut pas chanter. I shouldn't sing, I can't sing. Hervé Villard, Les Anges du Matin, Derrière le mur de la maison. Sam, j'aimerais savoir des détails de Sam. S'il y a des francophones qui écoutent, là. Il a fait un gros hit en 75 qui s'appelle Allô SOS. Puis ensuite, il a fait Alors ça va. J'aimerais savoir s'il existe un 33 tours de ce gars-là. Moi, j'adore ça. Sam, c'est tellement bon. Michel Stax, Lelenia, puis O'Malley, un grand hit. Traveling Man, actually that's the B-side of Ricky Nelson singing Hello Mary Lou. And another hit by Rick Nelson. He dropped the Y at the end of his name. It's just Rick Nelson now on Decca Records. Fools Russian. The Honey Drippers sing a remake of Sea of Love, and I prefer this version to the original. Sometimes remakes can be really good. Bon, un disque de Nestor qui chante des conneries, des enfants de chômeurs, puis Merci tu Jésus. Pas son meilleur disque, mais je l'ai plus parce qu'il est comme quasiment mieux. Aiko Aiko, Patrick Normand, remake de la chanson de Hugo Frey, mais moi c'est avec la version de Patrick Normand que j'ai grandi. Quand j'étais enfant, c'est cette version-là que j'entendais. Lipstick de Michel Polnareff. Et tous les disques de Polnareff sont rares, ou la plupart en tout cas. Ça n'arrive qu'aux autres de Michel Polnareff, en pas pire état. George Baker Selection, Dreamboat and Paloma Blanca. I'm always looking for the perfect copy. Paul Vincent qui niaise avec Face à Face, La Tête aux Fesses. A French version of Chantilly Lace by Big Bopper. And you see here, Chantilly Lace, it's simply an instrumental version of this massacre of a classic. Eddie Rabbit, Gone Too Far, and I Love a Rainy Night. This is a golden reissue, and I saw the original and I forgot to take a copy. I'm pretty annoyed by that. It could be worse. And Talking in Your Sleep by the Romantics. I'll stop here and continue on part 2.